guys, I'm Shraddha. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another weekly vlog. I actually forgot to film the intro and I directly went into vlogging. So yeah, that is Louis. So yeah, I think I started by preparing oats ka chila. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the vlog. Guys, so I made myself some old chila. There's a broken one down there. So yeah. So guys, this is how that DIY project looks like. I'll just place a picture here so that you can understand what we are trying to do. So basically, as of now, we just painted like the first layer. This is actually a primer. Wait, let me show you. This is the primer that we are using. This is by True Care, I guess. So we got this entire bottle yesterday. And here are the paints. So here are the paints. We have like a really nice orange one. You can see the color, this one. And we also got like a purple paint. It's so pretty. It is like a really nice deep lavender. So these are the two colors which we are going to be painting right now. One for this and one for this. As of now, we just added like the base layer, so this has to stay for like 24 hours. And now we also painted this elephant white. It is also the primer. We'll be like decorating it beautifully later. And right now I'm painting this elephant, and that's Louis taking a chill pill. Hi Louis. Okay, so that is the plan for now. And then I just completed writing all the things for today's video. So there's a video to film tonight. Catch you up. Hey guys, so I was getting ready, so I thought why not get ready in front of the camera. So this is the top I'm wearing, which you have probably seen. This I'm doing I'm about to film the my 2021 resolutions video. So I was just getting ready, so I thought why not get ready in front of the camera and just show you, because it would be interesting. I like people getting ready in front of the camera. And coming to the top, this top is actually from Zara. If you have seen my Zara haul, you would have probably seen this. So this is how I have styled my hair. Of course, I'm going to be starting with my Pond's moisturizer, because that is the most important thing ever. Fit Me concealer, obviously. Planning on doing like a little heavier eyeshadow. So I'm just going to bake my eyes using the Nivea Musk Talc. What else were you expecting? I don't really trust a lot of products, so I just keep repeating and buying the things which I love in the first place. So I'm just baking around my eyes, and I'm just airbrushing my entire face using the same powder which is like slightly left on my hand. So guys, for the blush, I'm going to be using the Face Shop's watery tint.
And I'm going to be applying a very little amount because I don't really want like a super blushy face. That is it. Like I just want that pinky effect and not a lot of it. So yeah, just a dot. There's a lot of product on my hands, as you can see, and I'm just going to rub it.
And now I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolutions palette. This is the Wild something, I don't remember the name. I'll place it in the description. It has got such beautiful colors. Today I'm in a mood of orange and yellow, so it's going to be like an experimental thing. I hope it works. So first I'm going to be taking this orange shade right here, and I'm just going to be placing it on my crease. So beautiful. Sorry guys, Louis was knocking my door, and look at how beautiful this color is. Oh my god, I'm in love. Wow, I just love how beautiful this looks like. I haven't really ever tried like an orange look on my eyes, but I really hope this one works, because I'm done with the rest of my face. If this is going to fail, I don't know what to do. So taking the risk, I'm applying this on my other eye as well. And I'm just blending it like really well so that the yellow fits in the proper place. Beautiful yellow shade right here, and I really hope it turns out the way I want it to be. I'm in love. I'm already in love. Oh my god. Applying it on my inner in my inner corner as well because I want that yellow to pop out. Hey guys, so I'm back with my falsies and this is how my look looks like. I'm pretty much impressed with it, but I haven't washed my hair for like a week. For like, I don't think a week, but almost a week now. And they look weird. I have to wash them tomorrow. But I'm pretty much impressed with the way I look right now. Although the liner has spread, like not the liner, but the lash glue has spread here and there a little bit. But let's ignore that for now. And for the lipstick, I wanted to go for a little glossy thing, so I picked this one from Faces. This is in the shade Red Mary. So this is like a lip gloss, lip shiner, it's like a really nice peachy orange. This is how the look looks like. I love it. I pretty much love it. I look a little different than usual, but I like it. Planning to put on this cute chain which I got from Club Factory like long ago, but I never really got a chance of wearing it. So today, let's do that. Hi guys, so I'm back. So you know what happened? The diary in which I wrote the notes about what I'm going to talk has disappeared. It's not that I didn't write what I'm going to talk. You know, I just wrote down the resolutions in which order I'm going to say them, and that diary is mysteriously lost. I searched for it in my entire house and I couldn't find it. See you tomorrow. Bye guys. Good night. Good morning guys. So I'm having some flat bean seeds for breakfast, and I also started this new series on Netflix. This is the Bridgerton, and yeah, have to edit the video after that because today is Saturday. Pav bhaji in the making. I'm not going to be having pav, but I'm going to be having bhaji with some roti. So yeah, my mom made it actually. I'm just doing this. Back at painting this tire. I feel like this color is so pretty, and I'm actually liking it. I'm actually going to put another layer on it so that you know it is more neat. But yeah, this is it as of now. Let's get painting. And also the other wheel is painted orange, mostly by my mom, and I'm just doing the rest of the part. Yeah. Guys, just look at the amount of butter my mom added into this. And also, oh my god, like how much butter is too much butter for my mom, right? Yes, yep, guys. Can you hear my mom? Having some pav bhaji for lunch. Yeah, my mom forced me to have the pav, and that was okay. Today I worked out for like 40 minutes, so let's have pav bhaji. Already, so this is my most favorite dress of all the dresses I own, literally. And yeah, me and my mom, we are going for some like grocery shopping. Bye. Just wanted to show you my dress. Bye guys. I just got my parcel from Myntra. So basically I ordered 2 night dresses, you know, because I don't really have any. I have been struggling to wear comfy clothes. So yeah, let me just quickly show you. Basically, these are the 2 dresses I got. One is this one with this blue polka dots, and another one is actually this one. Do I love them? Not really. Also guys, I got myself some healthy snacks. I got some oats so that I can make like a variety of dishes, not really plain. I got a pumpkin so that I can make pumpkin soup. Then I got this quinoa, I don't know how to pronounce it, so I got this one. I got myself a broccoli, which I hate though, but you know, I'm planning to make like a curry out of it. I don't know how will it turn out, but yeah, that. And I also got myself some makhana as a snack. Hi guys, good morning. So today is Sunday, so I woke up like so super late, and we are actually making some great food today. We are making prawns, fish and paya soup. I'm making prawns, so I'll show you after it's ready. I'll basically show you everything. And I'm done painting one wheel completely, the purple one. Let me just quickly show it to you. So guys, here is the wheel. So I'm done painting it completely from all sides. Like, yeah, we are done painting this. I'm just letting it dry. And I painted my hands and legs along with it, if you can see. So yeah, there's another one there which we need to paint. Let's get to cooking now. I'll see you guys after everything is made and I'll just show you how everything is. Let's go. So guys, the lunch is ready. This is the fish curry which my mom made and this is the prawns. I know you can't see it properly, but yeah, this is the prawn pieces inside, if you can see. So yeah, I made this prawns curry and this is the fish fry. So we are doing like a little candlelight lunch. Here's the white rice and here's the paya soup. It has lamb goat legs in it. So yeah, this is what we are having for lunch. We are having like a little candlelight dinner and it looks so pretty. Can't wait to have it. I'm so hungry at this point. Hey guys, so we are going out for dinner right now and Louis is also all ready. Let me just show you. So guys, this is what Louis is wearing. It's actually my top and I just put in a little rubber band here which is almost gone. So yeah. Louis, no! So yeah guys, bye! Meet you after dinner. Louis, no! Hey guys, so we just got home and bought home some dessert. So this is my hazelnut ice cream and then we have a blueberry cheesecake and here's a milkshake. So we got all of these from Huber and Holly. So yeah, I'm having some sweet after a very long time, so it's okay. These are actually hazelnuts. Good morning guys, so I just received my parcel from Amazon. So I ordered this coconut sugar from this brand called Sugarous. So yeah, wow, Louis is ready to tear that apart. Can't wait to try it. Hi guys, good morning. So today is the Monday and my first weekly vlog of this year has gone up. So I spent the time right now is around 1:30. I spent the past 3 hours editing the entire vlog. It is 25 minutes long. I don't know how will that be, but yeah. Oh my god guys, look at this cute little guy. Yeah, he did all this. He used to bite it when he was a kid and now he's sleeping on it. Yes. So guys, we bought all these plants yesterday, which is going to farmhouse right now. So yeah, pretty, all of these. And also this one, look how different are these. Like this looks like an entire flower. So pretty. And these ones too. Look who wore their new socks. Louis. And yeah, he tore it. He tore everything apart. How cute are you looking, Louis? I actually want to capture him walking because I see all these funny Instagram videos where people, you know, film their dog wearing socks for the first time. I want to do that. I hope there's camera with me when he's walking. Louis, come. Go. Louis, come. He's walking upside. Out. Wait. Why is he walking normally? Is Louis abnormal? He's literally walking like normally. fail. Fail. You always disappoint me, Louis. Done working out, so having some fish and watching Bridgerton. I'm on episode 2 if you can see. So yeah, that was all for today's plan. I'll read a book later. Catch you up tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning. So the time right now is around 12:30 p.m. and me and my mom, we are going out for market to get some colors. Sankranti is around the corner, so we need to do the rangoli. So we are getting the colors, and also we are going to, like, we completed 2 wheels, right? I'm planning to complete, there are 3 more wheels, so I'm planning to complete all the wheels by tomorrow. So today we are going to complete the primer thing, and tomorrow we are gonna paint them. So we are also going to be getting the paints, and yeah, that is what we are doing right now. So let's go. Hi guys, so the time right now is actually 12:10 a.m. I have to film a video right now. I'm sorry I haven't been catching up with you the entire day. That is because I was only lazing around, and I didn't want to get out of my bed. Of course I worked out and all. Today even I had to pull myself for working out. I was feeling so lazy and sleepy the entire day. In case I haven't already mentioned, I'm actually doing this Chloe Ting's 28-day challenge workout, and it's day 4 today, in case I haven't mentioned. So it's causing a lot of pains in my body. I can't even tell you. Like, ask me where my body is not paining, there's literally no answer. So yeah, that is how my 2021 has been going so far. And also I'm eating as healthy as I can. I included quinoa in my meal. I'm trying to eat greens, and most importantly, I'm trying to eat fruits as well. I'm trying to eat dry fruits as well. So yeah, of course I'm not restricting myself for things. For example, the other day I ate pav bhaji, and that is fine. I've been working out. Did I see any difference in my body? It's only day 4, so I don't really have anything to say right now. Let's see how this goes, and also I'll just go film the video and be back. Hi guys, so I'm just done filming, and tomorrow I need to wake up really early. So yeah, let me just clean up my room and then go sleep. Bye guys, good night. Morning guys, so these are all the colors which we got yesterday. This is the outline. Let's fill in. So guys, here's our rangoli. I did most of the coloring part, and my mom did like the outline of it. So yeah, this is how it looks. Looks very amateur, but okay, it's cute. Hi guys, so the time right now is 1 p.m. and I'm done with today's works. I'm done cooking, I'm done editing the video, I'm done scheduling the video, I'm done doing the rangoli, and now me and my mom, we are going out to Gaushala so that we can feed cows. So guys, this is my OOTD. Literally, this is so comfortable, so I thought, why not just wear it? Bye. Some gajar ka halwa in making. My hand is numb after I grated all this. Literally, I grated all of this gajar all by myself, and now I'm making gajar ka halwa. Hope it turns well. Added some ghee. Ta-da! It already looks super delicious to me. Add in a lot of malai, some coconut sugar, and it's ready. Here's my gajar ka halwa. Looks so yummy. Yeah. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So, done with today's rangoli. This is how it looks like. It looks pretty simple. It looks simple and at the same time out there. So, yeah, less effort, good work. And also, I did this. Louis, that is mine. That is mine. It's my dog. Louis! Louis, cutie! Now, Louis! Louis! The Nykaa parcel just came in, so I quickly wanted to show you what I got. First and foremost, this one. Finally, like literally finally, I got my hands on the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. I have been wanting this product for a while, since the time it released. But finally I convinced my mom to buy me this one, so I can't wait to try this one out. And I also got this one. This is the Dove's Shower Mousse, and yeah, and I also wanted to try this one because it was so super affordable. So I got myself a Vivel body wash because I was running out of one and I wanted to try like a more budget friendly one. A little mini quick haul, and so super excited for this one. Hi guys, so today I received my planner and my 5-year journal from Simba Lifestyle, and I'm so happy with them. Guys, good morning. So the time right now is 12:10 p.m. and basically me and my mom, we are planning to go to Shirdi this weekend. So we just wanted to get our COVID test done. I actually got my COVID test done before. Of course, it was negative. So this is my second time getting it done, and my mom is like so super nervous. So yeah, till today morning also we didn't have any plan, and suddenly we planned it, and we are getting a test done. So we'll get our results in like 24 to 48 hours. I want to vlog it, but I feel like the person who is doing it is gonna feel so super weird. So I'm probably not gonna vlog then. So yeah, I'm getting my COVID test done. I don't know why. That is stupid, but I'm a little excited for that. And also yesterday my mom gifted me these cute duck earrings. They are so pretty. So yeah, that is the plan as of now. And probably that is it for this vlog, guys. I'll try to insert, or wait, let me just come back and tell you how the test went and how was my mom's reaction especially. So yeah, I'll see you. And also guys, this green peas, oh my god, they're like so good. I can't stop binge eating them, but they are so good, like so good. Hi guys, so I'm done with the test. It was actually pretty simple. A little pain in my nose, but that was okay. They said that the result will be messaged by 8 o'clock. So hopefully it will be negative. I don't really have any symptoms, so hopefully. And yeah, guys, we are going to be booking everything and packing as soon as I get the results. And yeah, for the trip, it is going to be the next vlog. So yeah, that is all for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel because that would mean the absolute world to me. And do let me know down in the comment section below if you want me to do more such vlogs. I'll be happy to do that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.